Hello students, once again welcome to Bholanathacademy. In this video students, we are going to solve question 10. In question 10 students, it is given in a certain electrolysis experiment, 4.36 gram of zinc are reduced in one cell containing zinc sulfate solution. Calculate the mass of aluminium. To calculate the mass of aluminium deposited in another cell containing aluminum trichloride solution, and it is connected in series. Both the cells are connected in series word is very important students, with zinc sulfate solution, that is cell zinc sulfate cell also you can say. Molar mass of zinc and aluminium are given 65.4 gram per mole and 27 gram per mole respectively. Okay students, so what is given students, we will write first. If you want to find the answer students, you have to write the given, what is given to you. So now here students, 4.36 gram of zinc, that is weight of zinc is given, weight of zinc, understanding. So here students, this 4.36 is nothing but capital W of Z, that is weight of zinc is given to you. So you can write weight of zinc is given to you, that is 4.36 gram. Okay students, and what else is given students? Here the about the zinc cell students, zinc is in contact with zinc sulfate solution. So now students, other is molar mass of zinc, that is capital M of zinc is also given to you, that is first 65.4 gram per mole. For 1 mole requires 65.4 gram. Now what else is given in second cell students? Aluminium cell. Weight of aluminium you have to find. What you have to calculate the mass of aluminium, that is WAL. What will be the weight of aluminium? Understanding, when aluminium is in contact with aluminum trichloride solution. Here zinc is in contact with zinc sulfate solution and aluminium is in contact with aluminum trichloride solution. Okay students, what is given about the aluminium students? Molar mass of aluminium is given to you, that is given 27 gram per mole. Okay students, so you have two cell students, zinc sulfate cell and aluminum trichloride cell. Okay students, so both the cells are connected in series. Understanding students, when the current will pass, same amount of current will pass in both the cell. So first students, we are going to see in zinc sulfate cell, in zinc sulfate cell. Okay students, what is going on in zinc sulfate cell students? When the current will pass, when zinc is in contact with zinc sulfate, so what happens students? In zinc sulfate solution, zinc 2 plus aqueous will accept 2 electron, and then zinc 2 plus will reduced. There is a students, reduction reaction will going on, and zinc 2 plus will reduce to zinc solid. Understanding, zinc 2 plus in zinc sulfate solution students will accept 2 electrons and it will reduce to zinc solid. Okay students, now students, here we are talking about mole ratio. How many mole ratio of zinc is deposited students? For that students, mole ratio is important students. Mole ratio always we are finding between the solid and the number of electricity passed. Okay students, nothing is there students, you have to consider as a 1. If you want to deposit 1 mole of zinc sulfate students, 2 mole of electron is required. Understanding students, so mole ratio, therefore you can say mole ratio for zinc students is nothing but 1 mole of zinc solid required 2 mole of electrons. Okay students, so you can also write students 1 upon 2. Okay, so this is there students. Once you know the mole ratio students, it is very important. For that only I am doing. Now what happens students in second cell? Now when you are talking about in aluminium trichloride cell students, when aluminum is in contact with aluminum trichloride solution, so we call that this cell is aluminum trichloride cell. Understanding, what is happening students when the current will pass in aluminum trichloride solution students? In aluminum trichloride solution, aluminum will always present in aluminum 3 plus aqueous students. It will accept students 3 mole of electrons. If you want to reduce 1 mole of aluminum 3 plus, you have to accept 3 mole of electrons, and then the 1 mole of aluminum solid will deposit. Okay students, understanding students. Now what is the ratio between this solid and the electrons students? So mole ratio students, mole ratio here for aluminum will be 1 mole of aluminum solid students, you require 3 moles of electrons. Understanding, here mole ratio will be 1 upon 3. Since you know here students, both the cells, both cells are connected, in series. Yes, series is very important, students. Series means electricity, that is moles of electrons which will passed in the cell of zinc sulfate solution is also equals to mole of electrons moles of electrons passed in aluminum trichloride cell. Understanding? So this is the meaning of series, students. Both electricity will be equal. If you want to find the moles of electron zinc sulfate, students, how you will find, students? You have to divide, students. Okay, students, what happens, students? If you want to find the weight of zinc solid, you have to divide with mole ratio of zinc into molar mass of zinc. Understanding, students? Understanding weight of zinc is nothing but mole of electrons into the mole ratio into the molar mass of zinc. So what about the mole of electrons, students? You have to divide weight of zinc by mole ratio into the molar mass of zinc. Same way, students, if you want to find the moles of electrons in aluminum, students, you should know the weight of aluminum. You have to divide with mole ratio of aluminum into molar mass of aluminum. Okay, students. Now, students, just substitute the value, students. What will be the weight of zinc, students? It is given 4.36. Mole ratio, students, of zinc is 1/2, and molar mass is given 65.4. Equal we will write as it is, because we have to calculate the weight of aluminum deposited at cathode, students. So, students, what happens, students? We have to write this as it is. Now, mole ratio of aluminum is nothing but 1/3. Molar mass of aluminum is also given, students, that is 27. You have to just multiply and just cross multiplication, students, you will get the answer. Therefore, you can say weight of zinc, you are dividing with mole ratio of zinc into molar mass of zinc, which is equals to weight of aluminum, you are dividing with mole ratio of aluminum into molar mass capital M of aluminum. Okay, students. Now when you put the value, students, 4.36, you are dividing with half of 65.4, which is given here. You have to calculate the weight of aluminum, which is half of 27. Okay, students. Because, students, this is 1/3. Mole ratio of aluminum is 1/3. Now what happens, students? Just make it half. 4.36 will be as it is. If you make it half, students, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, and 2 7s are 14. Okay, students. Now weight of aluminum, write as it is. When you make 1/3 of 27 will be 3 1s are 3 9s are, so it will be 9. Now, students, you have to just do the cross multiplication. What happens, students? When you do the cross multiplication, here weight of aluminum with multiply with 32.7, and here 4.36 multiply with 9. Okay, students. So therefore, you students, weight of aluminum will become, students, 9 into 4.36 multiply by 32.7. If you know the multiplication of 9, students, you can multiply directly. 9 6 are 54. 4 I am writing here. 4 3s are 27 plus 5 32, that is 2. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 3 39. Before 2 digit, put the decimal. In denominator also you have 22.7. Okay, students, if nothing is there, you can put the 0. Now 4 digit above and 4 digit below. Now, students, how you divide this? For that, students, you can use the log table. Okay, students, if you want to calculate the weight of aluminum, students, you have to take the log on both the side. So, students, what happens? You will take by taking log of on both the side. So how you will do with the log table, students? That also I am explaining here. So you are taking the log on both the side. So it will becomes log of weight of aluminum. Here, students, log of 39.24, because it is division, so you have to put minus symbol. Log of 32.70. Okay, students. Now, students, when you go in log table, students, find, when you see the, students, if you want to find the log of 39.25, you have to write the characteristics first. Here before decimal you have 2 digit, students, so 2 digit multiply by minus, you have to always subtract 1. So 2 minus 1 will be 1, will be the characteristics. Now in log table, students, you will see in 39, in second column, add the mean difference. Fourth, you will find, students, 5938. Understanding, students? Minus will be as it is. Now, students, here also before decimal you have 2 digit. 2 minus 1 will be 1, will be the characteristics. Now, students, in log table you just go through in 32, in 7th column, students, you will find 5145. Okay, students. Now when you subtract, students, what happens, students? 8 minus 5 will be 3. 13 minus 4 will be 9. Here, students, 8 minus 1 will be 7. 5 minus 5 is 0. 1 minus 1 0. Okay, students, this is the value of log of aluminum. Weight, this is the weight of aluminum, that is mass of aluminum. Since students log of weight of aluminum is given 0.0793, so therefore you can say weight of aluminum will be here, log will come on this side, will becomes anti-log of 0.0793. Okay students, in log anti-log students, now you have to see in anti-log in 7th and 9th column and add the mean difference of 3 students, you will find 1200. Okay students, before decimal students you have not you have 0, so when the characteristic will be 0 students, when the decimal will be here, understanding 1 digit minus 1 will be characteristic will be 0. So this is the answer students, 1.2 gram. This way students, with the help of the log table in board examination, this way you have to do students. If you do like this, you will get 3 marks. For 3 marks question students, they will ask in board examination. If you like my video, please share it, subscribe it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. God bless you.